Let's have a look at how you can create a hyperlink, or what is simply called a link, within a text element. Understanding how the text element works and how you can select the entire text element or just parts of it is very important. I have a text element here, and what I want to do is maybe just cite or quote something in here and then have people click on that, and it will take them to another site or another page where they can read more about that quotation or that citation that I put in the text. If you click on the text element, you will see in the options toolbar that we have the link option here. And selecting it, it gives you 4 options in the Brizy Pro versions. You have the URL, block, file, pop-up. We're going to focus on this link to. It's a hyperlink, take us to another page or another website. I'll type in there brizy.io, that's where I want them to go. And you have the options naturally if you want to open it in a new tab, which I prefer, and make it no follow. The moment you've added the link and you click outside, you will see that there is an underline option that appears now. And this is an indication that there is a hyperlink now embedded within this text element applied to all the text. So if I had maybe 2 or 3 hyperlinks I wanted to insert in this text for different citations, it's not going to work this way. What you need to do is that you need to select a certain part of the text. So let's grab this text element here. I'll interact with it by clicking it, and now I will select only the part that I want to be used for my hyperlink. I've highlighted it, go to the link again, and I can paste my link or type my link, and you'll see it has only selected that part. And Brizy also gives you the option that you can go in and also change the color only for this part so that people can actually see that. You indicate to them visually that this is a link, and that if they click on it, it goes somewhere else, they can read more about it. And it's a few easy steps adding a hyperlink to any part of your text within a paragraph. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe to the channel. Remember also to visit us at brizy.io. See you next time.